In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a Jotform into your Shopify store. This technique is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their store with custom forms, be it for customer feedback, orders, or service inquiries. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, head over to Jotform's official site. You might already be familiar with Jotform as a powerful online form builder. Once you're on their homepage, look for the login button. You can't miss it. Click on that to proceed. If you've linked your Jotform account to any other platforms like Google, you'll be given the option to sign in with those credentials. Pick the one that's relevant to you and go ahead with the login process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Forms section. This is where all your form magic happens. In My Forms, you'll find an option called Integrations. Clicking this will open up a world of possibilities for connecting your form to other services, but what we're interested in today is Shopify. So go ahead and click on See More to explore all available integrations. Among the various integrations listed, your next task is to find Shopify. You might see a lot of options, but hang tight, locate the Shopify integration and click on it. This action will lead you to a screen with a very tempting button labeled Embed Your Form. Do as the button suggests, click it, and let's move forward. Now, after selecting to embed your form, you're required to highlight a very specific part of the impending process. Once you click on that highlight, you're almost at the finish line. A crucial part of this step involves copying a piece of code that Jotform conveniently prepares for you. Hit the copy code button to grab this snippet as you'll need it momentarily. Switching gears to Shopify, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the command center of your online store, where all the critical settings and configurations happen. In your Shopify admin dashboard, look for the online store section in the navigation menu. This is where you'll find themes, blog posts, and pages you've set up. Click on Pages to continue. Selecting Pages will list all the pages you've created for your Shopify store. For this exercise, we're focusing on embedding the form into a contact page, assuming you have one. If not, this is a great time to create it. Locate your contact page on the list and click on it to begin editing. Once you're in edit mode for your contact page, you'll have to go a bit technical, but worry not, it's pretty straightforward. Look for the HTML button in the editor toolbar. This will switch your editor to a mode where you can insert HTML codes directly. It's in this mode that you'll paste the code you copied earlier from Jotform. After you paste the code into the HTML editor for your contact page, save your changes, and voila, you've successfully embedded your Jotform into your Shopify store. This process allows you to enhance your site's functionality with a form that's easy to fill, aesthetically pleasing, and aligned with your store's design. But let's wrap this up with a few additional tips to ensure everything runs smoothly. After embedding your form, it's crucial to test it. Open your contact page as a visitor would, and try submitting a form to see everything works as expected. Keep an eye on form responses in your Jotform account to ensure data is correctly collected and stored. Adjustments and tweaks might be necessary, so don't hesitate to revisit the form setup on Jotform or the code embedding on Shopify if required. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless experience for your visitors, encouraging them to use the form as intended. To sum up, integrating a Jotform into your Shopify store is a straightforward process that brings numerous benefits. Not only does it make your store more interactive, but it also provides a direct line to your customers, be it for feedback, orders, or inquiries. Follow the steps outlined today and you'll have a functional and stylish form up and running on your site in no time.